How to use Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Touch and Go e-wallet. To start using Touch and Go e-wallet, first open the app and look for the pay icon on the home page. Once you've found it, tap on it. If it's your first time using the app or if you have suspended the pay service, you will need to key in your 6-digit PIN to proceed. Next, when you're ready to make a purchase, show the QR code generated by the app to the merchant. The merchant will then scan the QR code using their device. Once the QR code is scanned, your payment will be complete. So that is exactly how to use Touch and Go e-wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.